The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado is back, and it's tougher, smarter, and more capable than ever. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering the toughest terrains, this legendary SUV is built to handle it all with confidence. With a bold new design, upgraded off-road capabilities, and a tech-packed interior, the new Prado is ready to redefine adventure. Toyota has taken everything people love about the Land Cruiser Prado and enhanced it for the modern era. Under the hood, the 2025 Prado offers a powerful yet efficient 2.8U turbo diesel engine, delivering impressive torque for towing and off-road performance. A new 48-volt mild hybrid system improves fuel efficiency without compromising power, making it both environmentally friendly and adventure-ready. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system, a locking rear differential, and Toyota's multi-terrain select, the Prado is engineered to tackle sand, mud, snow, and rocky paths with ease. Whether you're off-roading or cruising on the highway, its adaptive suspension ensures a smooth and controlled ride. The exterior of the 2025 Prado blends classic Land Cruiser toughness with modern styling. A more squared-off, rugged design gives it a commanding presence on the road, while the bold front grille and new LED headlights enhance its aggressive look. High ground clearance, flared wheel arches, and durable skid plates showcase its off-road DNA. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a refined, yet highly functional interior. The 2025 Prado offers premium leather seating, a driver-centric cockpit, and improved ergonomics for long-haul comfort. The new 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a fully digital instrument cluster keeps all essential driving data within easy view. Advanced climate control, a panoramic sunroof, and multiple USB-C charging ports add to the convenience. With its powerful performance, rugged yet stylish design, and tech-forward cabin, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado is the ultimate SUV for those who refuse to settle. Whether you're heading into the wild or navigating daily life, the new Prado stands as a true symbol of durability, luxury, and adventure-ready capability.